All right, everyone. I'm going to give you a tip or two. This week and next week, Christmas videos go viral like crazy. Some of these are already getting 1 million hits. All right. So I want to show you how to do a fun Christmas video. You know, you want something that grabs attention. Like people are like, what? No way. You know, they want to watch the whole thing. All right. So I use Sora 2 and I'm on AI Cut. But if you want this, just go to my website, getailist.com. I got a really good link to give you a really good deal on it. Getailist.com. I created a video, and I'm going to show you the video here, and we're going to show you the actual prompt that I use. So let me turn this up and see if you're going to be able to hear it. I'll add the video too, so you can see it here. But let me hit play. Oh, I'll help if I turn this on.
Are you kidding me?
So Santa gets stuck off the roof. It's kind of funny. The reindeer, you're like, oh crap, where's the reindeers? What's going to happen? He's stuck on a roof, nice neighborhood, lights, everything, okay? Cool video. These things go viral. You can do a variety of these things too. We'll do another one real quick of a cop, you know, like maybe a cop pulling over Santa Claus for going too fast or drinking. And maybe he says, I'm drinking eggnog instead. Let's look for something like that. I'll do another video. I'm going to give you the prompts, all right, the exact prompt step by step. So all you got to do is literally copy and paste, and then you can swap it up a little bit. So you can change the neighborhood a little bit or change what happens. Really, really small tweaks, but I'm going to give you the exact prompt. And I guarantee if you start putting this stuff out on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, you will get a lot of hits, okay? And again, then you can go to your link in bio and sell whatever the heck you want to sell and make some money. So what we're going to do is going to do another one of these, and I'm going to get the prompt ready to copy and give to you. All right, so this one, I put the prompt in, and I think I'm going to try VO3 for this one. I did Sora last time, so I always like combining Sora and VO3. The only thing is, when you go to Sora, if I want you to show something here, Sora 2 will go 10 seconds. So actually, I am going to do Sora because that extra 2 seconds could mean a lot, especially if there's some vocals in there, right? You want it to be a little bit longer. Or you would do multiple videos and then combine them all together. But let's just do this and hit the clip, and I'll show you the outcome and give you the prompt. All right, here's the second one. This one's kind of fun. I actually did this one on VO. Because that's Sora was taking forever. So let me unmute.
We have visual. Dispatch, this is Unit 12. We have visual on the suspect. Red sleigh, 8 reindeer, southbound on Glacier Highway. Speed is 50 and climbing.
Oh, no, you don't.
Dispatch, this is Unit...
I mean, it's kind of weird that the reindeer are kind of behind the sleigh, so I could go back into this prompt and fix that. But I think it's good enough to grab attention right now. Kind of funny. You know, because these are just really short clips that grab a lot. But, I mean, you can get a lot of views on stuff like this. So, again, if you do something like this and you really want to spend time on it, you can go back and just keep tweaking the prompt. The more you tweak the prompt, the better it gets. But there's 2 cool Santa videos. Santa videos right now are going crazy viral. It'll get you a ton of hits. Super easy to do, and just have fun with it, all right? Hopefully you like this training.